Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to create iCloud account in iPhone. To create an iCloud account, also known as an Apple ID on your iPhone, you need to follow these steps. So let's get started. First thing, open the Settings app on your iPhone and at the top of the settings menu, you will see your Apple ID profile name or signing to your iPhone, then tap on it. Then simply tap on Don't Have an Apple ID option. After you tap on Don't Have an Apple ID option, you'll have to create an Apple ID. Now you'll have to provide them your name and birthday. Then after you provide your name and birthday, tap on the next icon to continue the process or tap on the continue icon. After that, simply choose your preferred email address to use as your Apple ID. You can use an existing email address or create a new one as well. Or if you don't want to create a new one, then you can use an existing email. After you tap on your email address, then simply tap on continue to proceed. Now, create a password for your Apple ID and verify it. Your password must be at least 8 characters long and include a number, an uppercase letter, and a lowercase letter. After you type on your Apple ID password, tap continue. You may be prompted to verify your phone number for added security. Follow the on-screen instructions to receive a verification code via SMS or phone call and enter it when prompted. Read and agree to the terms and conditions by tapping Agree in the bottom right corner. Then you'll have completed the setup process. Your Apple ID will be created and you'll be signed in to iCloud on your iPhone. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And thank you for watching.